Once you update your iPhone to iOS 26, your app icons on your home screen will be set by default will be set to liquid glass icons, or you can say clear glass icons by default. So now if you want to get back your old default app icons, then what to do? In this video, let's see. It's very easy and simple. Be on your iPhone home screen, hard press, and here you enter into the edit mode. After that, left side top corner, tap on edit, tap it here and just choose customize. Once you do it, automatically you will see a menu for your customization options, and there are multiple options given to you for your app icons like default, dark, clear, which is your current state, otherwise tinted. To get back your default app icons, just go ahead and tap on default, and instantly all your app icons will be turned from liquid glass icon to your default app icons on your iPhone home screen. Like that, you can easily customize your app icons on your iPhone as per your wish. So guys, that's it. Very simple. I hope you like this video helpful. If yes, please give a like and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.